Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download videos from REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm opening my REDnote app. As soon as it is opened, you can see here are multiple videos on REDnote app. Now I will download any one from here. For now, I'll choose the second one. Now you can see this video is being played. Now to download these, just tap on the share icon on the bottom right, and over here you can find here is add to album. Just tap on this and you can see it's downloading to our album. Now you can see it's showing us saved successfully. Now I'll open my gallery, and now on the top you can see one video is downloaded. This is the same video which I recently downloaded from REDnote app. So in this way we can download REDnote videos to our Android or iOS device. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.